authorities from all over the fucking planet have issued a Buddy the Elf alert for pretty much the entire planet Earth, effective until midnight December 26th. The public have been reporting Buddy the Elf killing little children for absolutely no fucking reason. His weapons of choice are a flintlock and a musket. The states with the most crippled child deaths are Wisconsin, Upper Michigan, Minnesota, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Colorado, and Alaska. And for some reason, Russia, Antarctica, and Canada. Is this the end of the world? Probably. We've already had enough happening, and now we have to deal with Buddy the Elf killing everyone on Christmas. It even has people like Joe Biden saying,
"Listen, America, I am very pathetic and drunk, and this is why the United States of America is in trouble."
There are reports of babies dressed as fake police officers and are armed with baby toys trying to arrest Buddy the Elf for child murdering, but for some reason it ain't fucking working. What's that? We are receiving reports that Buddy the Elf is walking naked on the highway and telling drivers to slow the hell down so he can shoot children that are going to the malls to see the fake Santa Claus. LOL. Anyways, as I was saying, wait a minute, why do I hear footsteps? Oh, holy shit, flavored popsicles and cum flavored ice cream. Buddy the Elf is entering the EAS headquarters. No, that flintlock does not belong in my...